Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish, and we're back with another video. It is 2 o'clock on Wednesday, so we're a little bit late, but we're looking at SPY on the 15, so let's get into this. What do we see post-market? Post-market, we see it rally a tad bit towards the supply at 642. We see it consolidate before rejecting, and then when pre-market opens, we see SPY with a long candle, and it overtakes the supply we had at 642 and then starts consolidating alongside the VWAP. When market finally does open, we see a rejection at the VWAP. We see it fall past the demand at 642, but it couldn't hold, and it then goes to rally back towards 645. That didn't hold as well, so now we see it reject again. So basically consolidation along the VWAP. Finally, we see it reject here at around 1 o'clock, and currently it's at 640. What I would like to see is it maybe try to reclaim the supply and then fall more. I would like for it to reach our demand at 637.50. If it does happen to reclaim the supply at 642 and the VWAP, my next supply would be 644, the high of day, and then 645. So let's go to NVIDIA. NVIDIA post-market rejected towards its supply at 169.50. Pre-market, it similarly to SPY, we see it we see it rally towards its supply here at 170.50. When market does open, it rejects the VWAP and basically consolidates along here until around 1ish as well. We then see it reject, and now it's nearly on our supply of or demand at 169.50. If this does continue to fall, I would like to see it go to 168. If this somehow, or if this flips over here, look for it to reach the VWAP at 171 and then our supply at 170.50. 171.50. But let's get to Apple. Apple rallied a lot. I know this was because of a lawsuit. I don't know what the lawsuit entailed of, but I know it has something to do with Google. I know Google also went up a lot as well. Yeah, they look very similar. But yeah, so post-market, we see a rally a bunch to 239. We see it then fall again to 235.50. Pre-market, it rallies back towards the supply, couldn't hold, and then pretty much falls. And then when market does open, we just see it fall even further, couldn't hold, similarly to SPY and NVIDIA. The only difference is I would say this is a tad bit more bullish. Right now we're above the VWAP, so I would like to see it try to hold the VWAP and then push up into 239. If it doesn't, we would look for it to go to 235.50, which is the demand. If it does continue falling, look for 234.50/234. But that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys have a good one and stay bullish.